Welcome to the heart of California's Eastern Sierra, where Highway 395 stretches north and south, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Today we're taking a journey through some of the most stunning landscapes in the world. Imagine sweeping vistas, jagged mountain peaks, lush valleys, and expansive open skies. This is a visual feast, nature's masterpiece carved over eons. Starting off with Lone Pine, known for Hollywood history and the stunning Alabama hills. Further north, Independence, quiet, historic, and full of old Western charm. Our 395 journey ends at Bishop, your gateway to the Sierra, rich in history and vibrant arts. These towns are more than just stops. They're hubs of local culture, history, and adventure. Exploring their shops, galleries, and stories adds depth to your journey. From these towns, the adventure continues to the lesser-known routes like the historic Buttermilk Road. Throughout history, volcanic activity in this area dates back thousands of years with eruptions from ancient volcanoes like the Mono Inyo craters and the Long Valley caldera. These volcanic features have contributed to the unique geology, hot springs, and mineral deposits that make this region so captivating. The Long Valley caldera, in particular, is the most significant volcanic feature in California, formed by massive eruptions approximately 760,000 years ago. After going down to 395, north on the 395, you'll make a left on the 168. The 168 will take you up to Buttermilk Road, where I will find myself in a jam. So, small problem, nothing too crazy. My truck is eating oil, which it's always done, but it's been a little bit more and more lately. I just got oil changed before I came, so I thought it would be okay, but I did put a lot of miles. This truck is running shitty, which it did before. So last time I needed an oil, to add some oil, so I check it, and sure enough, it's really, really low. So I decided to get some video because it's absolutely beautiful up here. It just started running shitty, so hopefully I didn't damage anything. But last time I just had to add oil and it was running a lot better. So I'll put 2 quarts in, check it. I probably need 3 quarts because it's at the bottom of the dipstick. I'm gonna need an engine at some point soon. This thing was filled up before I left, and I need to check to see how many miles it is, but it's been a lot of miles, so hopefully let's add some oil, keep rolling. I knew I should have checked it on the last gas station before I started coming up this hill. It's a pretty steep hill coming in. I had spilled some oil on the manifold, so now it's smoking. But look at this. Look at this beautiful freaking mountain. It's beautiful. The whole drive up here was beautiful. Then over there, mountain range over there. And then look, when you turn the other way, look at this. Look at this mountain range. The sunset going down. It's a little windy for my drone, so I probably won't put it up tonight. I'm gonna check the oil and I'll get back to you. Before we get too old, show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time. Alright, I'm just airing down real quick. This is magical, man. I don't know what to say. I didn't have time to put my mic on. Sorry if you hear some wind. It's a little windy out here. So I can't put up the drone, but I'm airing all my tires down to where I want to, probably to like 10 PSI or 15 or whatever, but I have my new rough country dual compressor air setup. It's fucking awesome. Sorry, my dual compressor setup. I have it now, so I can air down all the way. So I'm gonna air down and get on the road. Oh, this is so beautiful. Man, look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. I'm so happy I didn't stay home this weekend. I'm so freaking happy. Alright, I'm excited. I'm gonna get back there and down. I'm gonna get on the road. And now we begin on Buttermilk Road. Carved during California's mining boom, it connected remote communities and mineral-rich lands. Today, it's a trail for explorers, hikers, and off-road enthusiasts seeking solitude. Offloading supplies, camping under the stars, discovering hidden corners. This is the essence of adventure. The wilderness here offers a true escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
This is so beautiful. Fuck. Almost there. My map says I'm like 1 minute away. I hope. Aaron, do you copy?
Yeah, I copy.
You see my lights?
Negative.
Says I'm like 2 minutes away from your pinpoint coming up the road. This is crazy. Oh, my cap came off, so I got water splashing outside. Damn. See why they call this Buttermilk Road. Buttermilk. If I have milk, I do have milk. I wonder if it'll turn into buttermilk. Getting close. It says I'm 1 minute away. Let's see if I'm 1 minute away. Hopefully it goes to his pin. Oh, that says end of route. What the fuck?
I hear you. I don't see you though.
Good, because my route just ended at your pinpoint.
You go left at all? I think you may have passed me.
No, I didn't go left.
See the massive hill to your left?
Yeah. Yeah, I see a big one and a little one. Resend me your pinpoint real quick. Uh-oh. I might be lost. There's not really a place for me to turn around, so I kind of gotta drive further into this mess to turn around. Well, there was a spot back there, but let me see.
You do have to get off Buttermilk Road to get to where I'm at, just like a little bit. Sending you the pin there. There's like a forest road or something you have to turn left on.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I think I did see that road. So I gotta go up here a little bit more and find a place to turn around. Give me a couple minutes. So I passed them a little bit, and this is a really buttermilky road. I'm on Buttermilk Road right now. I'm trying to go slow, but it doesn't seem to be helping. I'm trying not to get all my stuff in the back of the camper all like sloshed up and all over the place, because it's pretty good road up to now. Now it's really buttermilky, and I guess I could back out, but I don't want to do that. I'm hoping there's a spot to turn around up here. It looks like it gets better up there, so I'll go up a little further. There we go, it gets a little better. Oh, there's a spot to turn around. So I got turned around, heading back down Buttermilk Road. It looks like maybe 1 mile, and I gotta turn right and go toward my buddy. So we figured out where he was, we figured out where I am. So I should be there shortly. And I have to say, I can't really see very much because it's pretty dark. The camera can probably see, the camera can see more than me. As far as the mountain range across the way, I don't know if you can see that. Snow-capped mountain range over here, the sunset, kind of, you can sort of still see it, but this is another epic find. So glad I came to check this out. I saw it on YouTube by other people, the Buttermilk Road and some of the areas over here, and then my buddy, the last time we went camping, mentioned I think he had seen it before, or he wanted to come check it out or something. So that's why we came up here. One of our buddies had to cancel because he ended up having to work pretty late on Friday, I guess. And my other buddy's car didn't break down, but the check engine light came on. He was just afraid to drive in with car issues. Yeah, I'm coming down Buttermilk Road. I gotta make a right here shortly. It is, I can't see much, but I can tell you it's going to be a beautiful morning. Hopefully, what time is it? It's already 8. Hopefully we wake up early. I kind of want to go, like, put the drone up, see what's over here, do a little walk or hike. And I think my buddy's only staying one night, but he doesn't want to stay a bit. He doesn't want to fish, so I think we're going to go try to find a fishing spot. Oh, this road is crazy. Trying to go slow, but it's not really helping. I do want to upgrade the suspension on this, put a new engine, or if I can pull it off pretty soon, maybe I'll get like a F250 or F350 diesel, because I want something a little bit more heavy duty, because even this camper, this truck is rated it should be able to handle this camper, but you know, I want to put a winch and I want to put a spare tire on the back bumper or a hitch, and it's just getting really heavy for a 1500, and I want to do this long term, so I'd hate to just beat this thing into the ground. My buddy gave it to me, I want to take care of it, but I'm hoping I could afford to upgrade to like 2000 F350 or something. And oh, here we go. Here's my turn. And just take the camper off, put it on the F350, and just have this as just a work truck or just a truck period, you know? Can't really use it because it's too much to take the camper off and try to use it as a truck. But I'm heading up now. I don't know if you can see these mountains right here, but they look amazing. Snow-capped mountains. And I should reach my friend in a couple minutes. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna enjoy this. I'll check back in with you. Thanks. Holy crap. Cool. Should I try to back in from here?
Yeah, I see you. Try to back in to where I'm standing if you can see me. Or, yeah, so stop right there. And then you're going to have to back up and turn left. You see me?
Yeah, I see it.
Keep coming my way. My way. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You got a leveling kit or something, or should I find you some rocks somewhere?
I got some stuff. Back some more?
Probably good there. There you go.
It's cracking. Of course I'm going to show up.
How are you?
Good, man. This is awesome.
It's good. Beautiful today.
Yeah, it looks pretty nice right now.
Yeah, we'll drive up tomorrow, check the lake and stuff.
Which way is it? That way or back this way?
There's 3 lakes. There's
I hear water. There's water right there?
Yeah.
What the fuck? I think this is one of the spots I saw on YouTube.
Really?
When I first heard of the Buttermilk Road,
Yeah, probably.
there was somebody, they were checking it out and they're like, this is a perfect spot. And they're like, you can hear the water. Because there's a couple down there too, it looks like, right next to the...
Yeah, I passed 2 people coming up. I think.
But I like the fact that this one's away from the road and everybody. They got a bunch, yeah.
Stay right there, or do you want to level out?
I turn around and like park right there. Yeah, this will block the wind too. Maybe, let me see what's over here. Man.
That's fortunate. You get this view out here, all those
Yeah.
pieces of stuff.
Yeah, when I turned around and came this way, I could see like the whole like down slope of that whole mountain over there. Let me offload some of this crap. Firewood at least real quick. cool.